Welcome! I'd like to introduce you to a software you and your team will most likely appreciate. The Contractors.es works in the cloud. It's available literally from any place on Earth. You don't need to install anything on your computer. The only thing that needs to be done is to enter your own unique app address in your web browser and to start working with the system, Contractors.es. The Contractors.es is a system in which you are able to plan, organize and control work, costs and performance stages of construction, renovation or installation orders. Just please take a seat now. Make yourself comfortable while I'll be showing you our system's abilities. The Contractors.es is a software consisting of the main web system and the mobile app for field workers, which I'll speak about at the end of this presentation. We're going to begin our common adventure with the system by registering a free account. So we open a registration form now by clicking on a button on our website www.contractors.es or on the link given in the video's description. On a displayed form, we fill following fields. Domain name. It's a unique name and a first part of address which you'll be using to log in to the app in the future. It's worth it to remember or even write that down. Company name, first name, surname, email address. It's where access data for the first login in are going to be sent to. Next, please set up default language and your location. When all of this is done, you need to confirm your knowledge of website regulations, privacy policy, and that you are not a robot. After that, we confirm enter data with a button at the bottom of the screen. In the next few minutes, your systems will be ready. You will get an email with further instructions and your access data. Is it true that it wasn't too complicated? Now, only minutes separate you from starting your own system. Truth be told, you can log in the Contractors.es now. So, let's go! In the web browser, we enter our address consisting of two parts. The first one being a name we've entered in the domain name field on a registration form. The second one is Contractors.es. Please don't forget about separating those two parts by a dot. I will make my presentation on the demo version, which you can freely visit without the need of registration. It's under the address demo.contractors.es. And so, we are on the login page now. Here, we are entering the access data we've received in an email, and next we click on a button Login. The Contractors.es system cockpit is designed in a way to deliver maximum ergonomics for the user. On the left side, there's the main menu along with system modules, which in case of need, it's possible to be set into auto hide mode, which increases software's workspace. At the upper right edge of the window are functional buttons: change language, manual, filters, chat and email. A moon icon allows you to switch the system to dark mode, helpful when working at night. Under our avatar, we have the possibility of going to personalized user setting or log out from the system. That's all about the system's cockpit. I hope you like it. Now, the most interesting part of our presentation. We will go together through essential system functions. Don't worry, I'll do my best to make it quick and concise. Applets are what you see on the screen right now. Their purpose is to display the most important information gathered by the system Contractors.es. In CRM, you will find tools for work time organization, mostly office workers. You can plan meetings here, phone calls, and tasks for yourself and your team as well. Clear and easy to read view on all events is provided by the calendar. In addition, in CRM, you will also find a database of contacts, employees, and companies you are working with. In contacts, HR information is also stored, such as an amount of days off, pay raise, etc. Moving further down the systems menu, it's worth it to stop by the two warehouse modules: inventory and equipment. Equipment storage consists of a company's equipment database divided by appropriate categories. The module handles rentals, services, both internal and external, and also equipment requests. The system is supervising a usage counter and in case of exceeding, prompts about the need of sending an item to service. Inventory, as its name indicates, is a tool for registering material usages, having a control over state of material storage, and what's most important, securing an amount needed for performance of entrusted orders. You can register purchases, requests, and usages here and connect them with our project records. Now's the time for a headquarters of orders. We'll find here a projects database, a registry of job control visits, which records, by the exception, are being displayed on the CRM calendar. What we will also find here are tools for material verification, requests for information, calculating additional costs, subcontracting agreements, and registry of issues aroused during performance of works. Reports deserve our special attention because, thanks to them, we will be able to check profitability and temporary coverage of the work performed on projects. In addition, here we can easily generate payrolls for employees and subcontractors. Assigning workers to jobs on construction site is handled by the scheduler. It's an easy and intuitive tool, thanks to which you will quickly assign target jobs and projects. You can do it for a single worker or a team. On the work calendar, you can also assign subcontractors. Records made in the scheduler will appear on individual employees' mobile app. Have you ever had a problem with a huge amount of documents falling on you from every side possible? Practically, all companies have to deal with that issue. The Contractors.es is equipped with tools which are going to help you and your employees with arrangement and supervision of document flow. Section Approvable Documents serves this purpose. Documents and important information can be added to knowledge base. All records are grouped here in the tree structure, and all of its branches can be restricted to a specific group of users. Like I mentioned before, Contractors.es is also a mobile app. Depending on permissions, an employee has a possibility of previewing assigned jobs and their location, clocking in and out, verifying workforce available, applying for days off, and submitting daily reports on the basis of which project work progress is being assessed. In the area of projects, we have a possibility of submitting issues related to ongoing works, along with those related to weather making work impossible. Special attention deserves the fact that Contractors.es can verify if an employee's actual location matches the one assigned to him. It also verifies hours of start and finish of work and will inform us in case of occurring inaccuracies. Okay, that's everything I've got for you today. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below or contact us by chat on our website. See you later!